Hi, I'm Brad from Family Handyman. Today I'm going to tell you about a few things around your house that you may not have thought about cleaning, but you really should. Let's start with the dishwasher. There are four main things to remember here that are easy to clean. First, right behind the door, food collects here. You clean that stuff out of there. Second, the door gasket itself. Make sure that gets cleaned. Third, you can take the arm off. Sometimes these little ports collect food as well. Clean those out. You can stick a toothpick in there or something. Next, you clean the screen. Take this little guy out, and there'll be all sorts of food and garbage collected in there that needs to come out. Let's move on to the refrigerator. I'm sure you clean out the inside of your refrigerator, but there are a couple other things that you need to think about that also need to be cleaned. For starters, roll the refrigerator out away from the wall. And there's a lot of garbage, and if you've got pets, you'll have a lot of hair back here, and sometimes the condenser coils are located on the back. Those need to be vacuumed because if they're dirty, they just won't work as efficiently. Now this model, the condenser coils are underneath, so you have to take off this panel at the bottom. To clean the condenser coils underneath here takes a little bit of doing. Like there's a special brush that you can buy to reach in there and loosen up all the dirt and debris, and then you can suck it out with a vacuum. Lastly, let's have a look at the sink. If you got some funky smells coming out of there, chances are it's coming from the garbage disposal. The problem is underneath that rubber splash guard. You got to lift that thing up and get a toothbrush with some antibacterial degreaser and really scrub the food off of underneath it. That'll solve the problem. So those are just a few things that you got to remember to keep clean. For more tips and tricks on keeping things tidy around the house, check us out at familyhandyman.com.